Welcome back. We're now doing the third type of congruency, or the third case. If you look at the question given, you have two triangles, and this is a right angle triangle. You can see one side is marked 2 strokes and the hypotenuse is marked 8 centimeters. Now if you look at the other triangle, it's also got a right angle, so there's a right angle there, there's a right angle here. Then the hypotenuse here is 8 centimeters, the hypotenuse there is 8 centimeters. What I'm going to write, and I will just write H where the hypotenuse is. So that's the hypotenuse, that's the hypotenuse. And then we find that one side of this triangle is equal to one side of that triangle. So we ask ourselves, which case of this is it? It's definitely not side, 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 because you don't know anything about this side. It's definitely not side, angle, side, because you got this side, you got the angle, but then this side is not equal. So it's not that. 90 degrees? Yes, we have 90 degrees in both. Hypotenuse? Yes, both the hypotenuse is equal. This is 8, that is 8. And one more side, this side is equal to that side, so it is this case here. So it is this case. So we write our proof. Required to prove triangle. You can label anyhow you like. Suppose you said ABC is congruent to triangle. Now, once we said ABC, we got to see how we labeled. ABC means we're going along the blank line, 90, 2 stroke. I'll repeat, blank, 90, 2 stroke. So there I must go blank, 90, 2 stroke. Blank, 90, 2 stroke. So the answer will be P, Q, R. So the triangles are now labeled in the correct order. Proof. You can start any way you like. Suppose I start with the angle. I say angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Reason, it's given. Number 2, BC is equal to QR. Reason, that was also given. And number 3, AC, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to PR, and that was also given. So therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and the case is 90 degrees, hypotenuse and side. Right, so we've done that. Now we want to do the deductions. Well, by now, you should be used to doing the deductions. So what I'm going to suggest is, I will suggest pause the DVD here, because we've done 2 previous examples. Pause the DVD there and try to write down the deductions, and then after that, I will review it and tell you whether you are right or wrong. So you can just pause the DVD and work it out, and then I will review it. Alright, so we'll give you a few seconds to get your answers. Okay, welcome back. So let's see now. We'll work with the angles. Remember, the first angle will be equal to the first, the second angle will be equal to the second, the third angle will be equal to the third angle. So let's start with A. Angle A is equal to angle P. Did we use this in the proof? No, we didn't use it in the proof, therefore it is a deduction. Angle B is equal to angle Q. I'm just writing it first. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Did we use this in the proof? Yes, we did. So it's not a part of the deduction. So this can't be the deduction. So this can't be, because it's used in the proof above. So it's not a deduction. Then angle C is equal to angle R, the third one equal to the third one. Angle C is equal to R. Did we use that in the proof? No. So that is a deduction. So we finished with the angles, 1, 2, 3. Now we come to the sides. The first two, AB is equal to PQ. So let me just write it down. AB is equal to PQ. And then ask myself, have I used that in my proof? No, I have not used it. Therefore, it is a deduction. Now, it's obvious that I must not look for any more sides, because you can see that two other sides are used here. Right? So, but just for fun, I will do it. The other side is BC is equal to QR. So, I'll just write it just for fun. BC is equal to QR. Did we use it on top? Yes, therefore it can't be part of the deduction. And then the last one will be first to last. First to last. AC is equal to PR. I'm just writing it down. AC is equal to PR. Ask yourself, did we use this in the proof? Yes, we use it in the proof. Therefore, it cannot be part of the deduction. Whatever is in the proof cannot be deduction. So, what's left? Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Alright, so that finishes our third case, and from here we will move on to our fourth case.